Hello everyone, I'm Sam and I'm the online training advocate for Coveros, and today I have with me Mr. Brian Hicks.
Hi Sam.
Hi Brian. Actually, Brian Hicks has taught our mobile application testing course for quite some time, and he's actually presented the course at STAREAST this week. So with that being said, Brian, if you don't mind giving us some high-level overview takeaways that our students learned from the course.
No problem, thank you Sam. So one of the biggest things we teach in that course is that when you're testing mobile applications, while the functional correctness of the app is really important, but when you're looking at mobile, what ends up happening is sort of there are three characteristics that become ultra critical, which are usability, security, and performance.
Right. Those
are the three things, that users really actually care about. There's data that says that users will abandon your app, or will choose an app that has less functionality,
right,
but with an easier to use and a simpler interface.
Right.
So that's what you really want to focus on that. One of the other things is we want to teach you not to look at or to get enamored with the shiny object of all of these cool tools around automation of mobile testing. Automation is important and can be a critical part of your overall testing strategy. But from a mobile perspective, a lot of the tools the cost can skyrocket to the level where the return on investment might not be there over just picking up the device and using it and testing it and doing that sort of testing. So sort of the third thing that we do a lot in that class is we teach you exploratory testing, which is a big key for testing mobile applications. How do I actually make use of the device features to test the usability and understand how users are gonna interact with you?
Good, okay. And I like the way that you articulated that, because with so many companies going to the mobile functionality and everyone having access to their phones and their iPads, I think people want to be able to have a good user experience. And as a company, you want to make sure that your users or your clients or your customers can really, word I'm looking for, have a good experience.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And it's so easy to go into an app store and find another app that can do a very similar thing.
Right.
And apps being no more than a couple of dollars each, the switching costs for your users are really low.
Right.
So you have to provide a world-class experience from the beginning, or they're going to switch into something else.
Yes. All right. And so with that, I know that at our upcoming Agile West conference in Las Vegas, you'll also be teaching our Leading Safe course. So we're excited about that. Is there anything in particular in regards to that course you want to mention to our audience?
So Leading Safe is really designed for change agents and leaders of organizations that are looking to scale up their Agile implementation. So SAFE stands for the Scaled Agile Framework, and the Leading Safe course gives, like I said, change agents and internal champions and leaders the tools and the knowledge necessary to help guide their organization in terms of implementing, getting the right kinds of teams together, the right number of teams, the size of teams, the right roles and responsibilities in place to take an Agile implementation from 1 or 2 teams up to 7 to 10 teams working together.
Perfect. Okay, so I love that. All right. Well, with that, I appreciate you talking with me this afternoon. So again, thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah.